true man's spirit always shown by the car he drive. Men become crazy when they hear exhaust from their dream car. So here are some legendary cars which easily hype any car guy. This is 1970 Dodge Charger Evolution. The SEMA show will feature an incredible vehicle designed by the talented team at Speedcore. This beautiful car is made entirely of carbon fiber, and interestingly, it is not a modified model. Instead, the team has created an original steel frame to protect the carbon fiber exterior. The body has a transparent protective layer, and the car has a 14-point safety system to ensure the driver's safety. Brembo engineers collaborated on the braking system, and the car is equipped with a V8 engine from the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. After undergoing modifications, this engine boasts an impressive 979 horsepower, and the car weighs about 1.4 tons with rear-wheel drive. However, it may not be easy to control, especially with a manual gearbox. Additionally, this model comes with a hefty price tag of $400,000, according to some leaked information. Moving to F450 limited 12-inch striker lift on 42s. This Ford F450 has been transformed into a towering beast with the installation of the striker kit. The kit has added an additional 30 centimeters to the vehicle's height, and the masters have also equipped it with 26-inch wheels from American Force Liberty paired with 42-inch Toyo tires. The set alone costs around $10,000, not including additional components like road armor bumpers and the 25 hours of work required to install it. However, the designers insist that the results are worth it. They claim that their drive shafts are even more dependable than the standard ones, and one user even said, "I've changed my mind about getting a sports car." It's easy to see why driving this pickup will give you an entirely new perspective, allowing you to look down on everyone else. This is Mazda MX-5 Miata wide-body fastback. Get ready to be amazed by the stunning design of the Mazda MX-5, as envisioned by a group of talented Norwegian designers. This iconic Japanese car, also known as the Master Miata, made its debut in 1989 and has an impressive list of accomplishments. It has been recognized by the Guinness Book of Records as the world's best-selling two-seater car and consistently tops car shows and magazine rankings. Even in its first generation, it boasted a 116-horsepower engine, retractable headlights, and an aerodynamic drag coefficient of 0.38, which is almost as good as the Ferrari F50. The Norwegian version of this car not only offers aesthetic pleasure but could also provide practical benefits. Who knows, someone might select this virtual model for their real custom project, given its aggressive and eye-catching wide-bodied get-ready bike guys. This is Harley-Davidson v-roid. Today, motorcycle enthusiasts are in for a treat as they get to see the tuned Harley-Davidson Night Rod on their screens. The 2013 release motorcycle is impressive in itself, boasting a 1,250 cubic centimeters engine with 125 horsepower. Its standard 18-inch front and 19-inch rear wheels also add to its appeal, but for tuning experts, leaving it as it is just won't do. They've transformed this interesting cruiser into a vehicle that would fit perfectly in Batman's garage. Here's a list of upgrades they've made custom. Rims featuring Monster V rubber in the rear and metal rubber in the front, ceramic-coated exhaust system, custom mirrors, foot pegs, and even a tank cover and upgraded LED lighting for those inspired by this transformation. There's great news: you can order the parts you like with delivery available anywhere in the world. Here it's the Lord 1929 Ford Model A. As per a critique, the Ford Model A rat rod is guaranteed to turn heads, even for those who have never laid eyes on such a vehicle before. It's not difficult to comprehend why, as this 1929 model has been modified in the style of traditional hot rods and has a surprisingly contemporary appearance. To avoid any accidental head collisions, a sunroof had to be cut into the low roof. However, it should be noted that this car is far from being quiet. Black Kevlar 6x6 with custom red interior. As you know, there are 4 horsemen of the apocalypse, and also according to this custom shop, there are 6 trucks of the apocalypse. This is one of them, and it's known as Hellfire Music. Depending on the depth of your pockets, you can choose a 460, 550, or 750 horsepower engine, a 12-inch screen leather trim on the doors and headliner, a customized carbon fiber steering wheel, electrically operated running boards, additional LED lighting, and a night vision system, and other features. These trucks of the Apocalypse weigh from 3.1 to 4.5 tons and are quite expensive, starting at $155,000. Despite the price, there are buyers from all over the world. The custom shop reports that they have already shipped their 6-wheel beauties to Mexico, India, Cambodia, and New Zealand. Last but not the least, here is Sport Chassis LH7 Offshore Edition. Let's take a look at this truck that is worth up to $200,000, which takes things to the next level. The project is based on the Freightliner M2112 chassis, and it offers various engine options, including 375, 450, or 505 horsepower. The fuel capacity has been increased to 378 to 566 liters, and it features a kicker sound system with 10 speakers, leather interior with heated front seats, and an electrically adjustable rear seat. Moreover, the Kenwood stereo and navigation system with touchscreen and a rear-view system with 2 cameras add to its features. This is just a brief list, as there are countless upgrades available for those willing to pay. The payload capacity of one version is 6.2 tons, and its dimensions are 7 by 2.5 meters. If you want to know some strangest Formula 1 car concept, click on this video. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss another banger video, and comment down your favorite cars and like the video. I'll see you in another video.